noise. Every time it got hard, what noise was it?
That says if? Most of the time people get hard, it's in the correct situation. But sometimes it's when you don't want to be and it just happens. So I think the noise would have to be like, oh, I'm so sorry. Which then in the correct situation is fucking weird.